Hello, Master. I am your brain. Have you noticed that you often stay up late? Your brain is quietly becoming less sharp. Although I only make up 2% of your body weight and look like a soft piece of tofu, I am undoubtedly your chief commander. From the moment you open your eyes in the morning to when you close them at night, all your thoughts, actions, learning, and emotions are fully supported by me. To maintain this massive amount of processing, I consume 10% of your body's total energy and oxygen. I'm truly an energy guzzler. I have 86 billion neurons, all interconnected, forming one of the most complex systems in the universe. My left hemisphere helps you analyze rationally, while my right hemisphere sparks your creativity. When all my parts work closely together, your thoughts become clear, and inspiration flows. But Master, I get tired too. When you stay up late, binge watch shows, and eat midnight snacks, refusing to rest even into the early hours, the time I need for maintenance is mercilessly taken away. When you sleep, that's the only time I can activate my cleaning mode. Cerebrospinal fluid clears away metabolic waste and repairs damaged cells. If you deprive me of rest for a long time, I will gradually become sluggish, my memory will decline, and my attention will scatter. It's just like a computer that's never turned off. It slowly starts to lag. I don't have pain receptors, so headaches aren't my complaint. They're an overall alarm I send out when I'm exhausted. Please don't ignore these signals. However, I also possess lifelong plasticity. This means that no matter how old you are, as long as you keep learning and thinking, I can form new neural connections and truly become smarter as you grow. So please don't squander my potential anymore. How you treat me determines whether we can move toward a broader future together. I am your most loyal companion. I love you deeply, and I long to be cared for by you. Starting tonight, get a good night's sleep and use your brain at the right times. Let's face every tomorrow together, clear-headed and bright.